Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together a delicious and healthy breakfast for your toddler starting from 12 months of age that I'm sure you will love to taste too. We're going to prepare cocoa, banana, cauliflower porridge. Yes, the secret ingredient for our breakfast is cauliflower, because who said that we cannot give vegetables to our little ones starting from breakfast? Of course, the traditional savory breakfast can mix vegetables inside without any problem. But there are so many sweet recipes for breakfast that I can sneak in vegetables so that your little one will be super happy for the sweet taste, and you will be happy too for the extra nutrients given from vegetables. Let's start together this super yummy chocolatey taste breakfast. First thing to do, we are going in a small saucepan to add our oats plus the coconut milk and the rice cauliflower. Rice cauliflower is nothing that cauliflower simply put in the food processor and blend it for a few seconds in order to obtain a rice small pieces consistency. We are going to bring to boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Stir frequently so that the porridge doesn't stick to the pan. Turn the heat off and let it cool down. Meanwhile, take a nice ripe banana and mash it in a small cup. Add 1 tablespoon of almond butter to give extra protein to our breakfast and optional 1 tablespoon of cocoa. If you're offering this recipe to babies under 12 months of age, around 9 months, simply skip the cocoa and the final chocolate, because it's not recommended to give cocoa or chocolate to babies under 1 year. Combine the banana almond cocoa mix into our porridge. Mix and serve warm. You can always top the porridge with some fresh fruit, and today I decided to go for kiwis, a lovely source of vitamin C, all together with some dark chocolate chips and coconut flakes. You can serve the porridge at room temperature, but I really like it warm. And also for yourself or for older kids, you can drizzle some local honey on top. This is a super nutritious recipe for breakfast. Will give all the nutrients that your little one will need in order to have a super active morning. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. If you're looking for similar ones, simply check the links in the area up here below. And also remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free. And we're going to see each other next week with another lovely recipe from me. Ciao, ciao!